Okay, I'm going to show you in a few minutes how to create your own special education compliance assistance using Gemini. So let's go learn. We're a Google Workspace. So we use Google Workspace. Gemini Pro came for free with our account. So I'm right now logged in gemini.google.com, and you see it says, "Hello, Richard." So I click over here to Gems, and now we see that I already have a few different gems created, but I'm going to create a brand new gem, and I'm going to give it a name, SPED Compliance Assistant, and I can give it a description, a short description that shows up. Helps our staff with compliance for SPED. Now I'll give it some instructions. So I went ahead and on our shared drives, we have an AI folder here. This is where it's just basically Word docs or Google Docs where we store everything. So this is the definitions for each of our assistants. And I'm going to come over here into this one folder, and we have a SPED compliance assistant. So this is something you'll write for yourself, but we could also send you a copy of this. But here it is. We see the text I have. Sorry, it looks like I have another copy open. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. It says you're a special education compliance assistant, blah, blah, blah. Gives it some questions, some guidelines. Don't make up answers. You look it up if you don't understand. Ask an administrator. So just some protections in there. So I copied that. And now I'll come over back to Gemini, paste this in there. Now I'm going to give it some background knowledge. So under knowledge, I'm going to click on some files. I can actually add a Google Drive file, but I'm going to go ahead and upload a couple. We have a Word file, which is our special education compliance manual. And now I'm also going to upload another one. We have an FAQ document that is a Excel file. So this could be questions like, what do I do when a parent asks about a change in the IEP? How many days do I need to, when do I need to notify, et cetera, et cetera. So any kind of documents you have, you can put a bunch of them in there. And now I'll go ahead and save this. And I'm going to go ahead and share it. So you would share it with appropriate work groups. So for us, we have different groups. We have something called all staff. So I would share it with everyone in the company, but obviously I'm not going to do that now. This is a demonstration. Hit done, and now we're ready to go. So I could start chatting with it, but if I go back to right here, I can go to look at my gems. All right, and there you have it. You see we now have a new SPED compliant assistant. It's ready to go. You could share it. You could post it on your intranet. Internally, you all can use it. And here it is. And I could ask it anything I want. I can upload files to it as well, so it's pretty amazing. All right, good luck. And as you know, we're happy to help you with your advanced AI assistance. We have our system, which will take our diagnostic data and write an instant PLAAFP SMART goals for your teachers. So we have a quite advanced system that if you'd like to try, you just reach out to us. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.